Hey you guys, so it is a super duper gross, extra gloomy, disgusting day out right now. Like I'm looking right at my window and it's gray and it's rainy and it's icky and disgusting. And yeah, the weather kind of sucks right now. And I don't know what's up. It's been this way for like the last week, and according to the weather, it's going to be this way for like the next 2 weeks. And like, it's the middle of summer. Why does it look like fall already? It's not. This is like November weather. We're getting November weather in July. Like, why? Okay, well, technically it's the last day of July, but normally August in Ohio is like super sunny, super hot, like you pray for rain. And right now it's just all rain all the time. But anyway, today the reason we are here is getting into my July Sephora play box. Here is the box, and it says more of the good stuff, July 2018. Here's the little poster we always get in these, along with your Sephora play card, which unfortunately you can still only use in store. Come on, guys, please, please, please make this available online permanently. That would be awesome. So here is our bag, and they're kind of going old school this month. When they first came out with this style of bag, this is what they all look like for the first couple of months. If I recall correctly, they were all just really simple with play on them. They're cute. Some of these bags I get rid of, and the really, really cute ones I actually hang onto and use them to like separate stuff in my purse, or if I'm going somewhere, if I need to like put sunglasses in a different bag to keep them from getting scratched, things like that. These are great for that. The price of the Sephora Play Box, of course, hasn't changed. It's still $10 a month, and these don't get sent to me. Of course, I pay for these all myself, just because I like samples. I like getting little samples and trying new things. All right, let's see. First thing we have Caudalie. We've gotten some stuff from them before. This is the Vino Perfect Concentrated Brightening Essence. It says this essence combines efficacy and gentleness to reveal the skin's original radiance. Complexion looks more even and bright. Apply morning and evening before your serum. I love that more non-Korean companies are coming out with things like essences. Essences are very, very thin moisturizers, and I love them. I think they're fantastic for your skin, especially if you're dehydration prone like I am. So I cannot wait to try this. Like, this makes me very happy. So I will definitely actually be throwing this in my bathroom right away and giving it a shot. Next up, we have a little hair mask sample. This is the Rawa, I believe is how that's pronounced. The Rawa Colorful Hair Mask for Gorgeous Color. Plant-derived color complex restores key color pigments for all shades of color-treated hair. My hair isn't color-treated. If you guys found my channel through my How I Dye My Hair video, which is horrible quality, and the thumbnail is awful. It's one of the first videos I ever made on this channel, but for some reason it still gets a ton of views, even though it's pretty bad, all things considered. I don't dye my hair anymore. I haven't dyed my hair for about 3 years now, 3.5. Everything on my head is my natural hair color. Everyone constantly asks me, what color do you dye your hair? And I'm like, I don't dye it anymore. This is the natural color of my hair. So I don't know, it strengthens hair, it's for all shades of color treated hair. Though I'm guessing that part of what this does is go into your hair cuticle and help just restore it and things like that. So I'm sure this would be fine on non-color treated hair as well. I do wish Sephora had an option on your profile to mention whether your hair is color treated or non-color treated. That way they could more specifically like gear products towards you. But I might try this. I might give it to my mom because she still color treats her hair. But yeah, that's kind of a math for me just because it's not really something that's geared toward my specific hair type. What else do we have? Oh, this is from Tarte. This is their Color Splash lipstick in the shade Salt Life. First of all, I love this packaging. This is adorable. And here is the lipstick. That's very cute. It's a very pretty pinky nude shade. I have about 10 colors right now that are very, very similar to this, so I'm not going to swatch it. I'm going to leave it untouched for now because lipsticks do grow bacteria and grow stuff like that. So I'm going to leave this untouched and put it in my drawer of things I will open once I start running low on the colors I do have. Next up, we've got, this is the Josie Maran Whipped Argan Oil Face Butter. It says ultra hydrating day and night after cleansing for intense hydration. This looks awesome. I'm not big into putting like pure oils on my face. I really haven't tried doing a whole lot of that yet, but anything that incorporates oils into a moisturizer, I do like. So I will definitely give this a shot. And my face is fairly oily, so this might be a bit strong for during the day under makeup. So I will probably try this at night, see how it goes, and then test it under makeup. I just want to smell this. Does it have a smell? Ooh, not really. And it feels really nice and light. The texture reminds me of the Peter Thomas Roth Cloud Cream that I really, really like. The texture is very, very similar to that. We have two more things. Another from Tarte. This is their Rainforest of the Sea Deep Dive Makeup Removing Gel Cleanser. Okay, I don't tend to use gel cleansers as makeup removers. I tend to do a two-step process with either a micellar water or an oil, and then I go in with a cleanser. But I will definitely give this a try and let you guys know what I think of it eventually. If you guys are curious when I let you know what I think of the things in different Sephora play boxes, you will always find those products either in my monthly favorites or in one of my empties videos. And I actually do empties videos usually every 2 to 3 months. I do them pretty frequently because I go through a lot of products, because I try a lot of products. So if you're curious what I think of different products, generally you can wait a couple months until my next empties videos and you'll see that product in that video. All right, we have, one more, and this is another Tarte blush. We actually got a Tarte blush a couple months ago in the shade Entertain. A couple months, it might have been a year. And I actually like this blush so much, I just hit pan on it because I use it constantly. This new one we just got is in the shade Party. Pop this open. Ooh, that is a very light blush. That is definitely geared toward pale girls like myself. I want to swatch this. Yeah, that is very, very light pink. You can probably barely see that on my skin. That is very, very fair. Honestly, that would look almost too pale on my skin right now during the summer. So I will probably set this aside and use this during the winter because I get super duper pale during the winter. I actually have to change my foundation by about 2 shades because I go really, really light. Because I basically, between the Ohio weather and what I do, which is sit in front of a camera and talk to you guys, I don't see the sun very often. I am curious why we got 3 Tarte products in one box. You know, I'm gonna look in this because usually it has some sort of explanation. Gotcha, okay. So the theme of this month is the good stuff. And it's because none of this month's products contain parabens, phthalates, or sulfates. And it says a cleaner beauty routine is easier than you might think. Start with these natural standouts that really work. And that explains why there are so many Tarte products in here, because their products are very, very good for you, very, very natural. And that's kind of hard to find in cosmetics. So I totally get why they had to put 3 Tarte products in here. I do wish they mixed it up a little bit more. I know there are more brands out there, and there are some more natural brands they probably could have put in here that I'm pretty sure they carry at Sephora. But let me go over what we got real quick one more time. We got the Rawa Colorful Hair Mask, the Caudalie Vino Perfect Essence, the Tarte Lipstick in Salt Life, the Josie Maran Whipped Argan Oil Face Butter, the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Deep Dive Cleansing Gel, and the Tarte Amazonian Clay Blush in Party. So probably my favorite things that I'm most excited out of this box for is the Vino Perfect Essence and the Josie Maran Whipped Argan Oil Face Butter. It's probably what I'm most excited about this box. The other things I like and I'll use, but those are like, so hopefully next month's box will be a little bit better. This one is still okay, but it wasn't my favorite. So we'll see. I did get an email that said that for people who've been subscribed for more than 6 months, and I've been subscribed for like 2 years now, that they're going to have something special in August's box. So I'm hoping, keeping my fingers crossed, that it's like a full-size product, or like all full-size products. That would be really awesome. Or they have like a special bag that's really, really nice. Or they send like an extra large box with double the products. I hope it's not like 100 extra beauty points instead of 50, because that would kind of suck. So we'll see what they have in August. I hope that you guys enjoyed this quick little video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can also keep up with me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and Snapchat. I am pretty much everywhere, and all the links for those are down below. Right now, I'm trying to post every Wednesday and Friday. I know a posting schedule is kind of a new thing for me, but I'm giving it a shot. We'll see how it goes. So I will see you guys again on Friday. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I will see you again very soon. Bye.